showed you exactly what that means for your commission. BMW's $7,000 chatbot failure spooked most brokers into paralysis. Elite dealers did the opposite. They audited their systems immediately. They know AI with guardrails isn't riskier, it's smarter. BoatLife.ai helps you deploy AI safely and close more deals while competitors hesitate. West Marine's collapse signals consolidation is accelerating. While competitors debate upgrades, automated systems score leads, draft responses, and rank actions by revenue potential. Manual dealers lose buyers in hours. Systems respond in minutes. That execution gap is your competitive edge. Buyers spend 87 days researching before contacting you. They've already picked their boat, know the price, read the reviews. By the time you get the lead, they're validating, not exploring. Stop pitching specs. Start asking what they actually need. Your biggest competitor isn't an AI chatbot. It's the broker down the dock whose AI scores every lead, writes follow-ups, and never misses a qualified buyer while you're sorting spreadsheets. Control the change, or it controls you. Your AI just promised a customer $15,000 for their trade-in. You've never seen the boat. BMW paid $7,000 for that mistake. Uncontrolled AI creates liability faster than leads. Smart dealers use AI that enhances human decisions, not replaces them. Every promise gets verified before commitment. Deploy safely, not fastest. BMW's AI chatbot cost a dealer $7,000 in 72 hours. One unauthorized discount. Marine dealers are deploying AI without guardrails. Your system should score leads and draft emails, not negotiate deals. Controlled AI closes more boats. Uncontrolled AI destroys margins. BoatLife.ai keeps yours in check. Elite brokers saw BMW's $7,000 AI disaster and moved fast. They didn't ban AI, they built guardrails. While average brokers debate, top performers use systems that score leads and draft emails, but never commit without human approval. That liability gap separates closers from the rest. BoatLife.ai keeps you in control. Your service department is sitting on a gold mine. 47 boats last month. Top brokers converted that into 188 qualified leads. Average brokers got 0. The difference? System design, not effort. Elite operations capture every service touchpoint automatically. BoatLife.ai flags upgrades, scores probability, and drafts follow-ups, while manual brokers rely on sticky notes and miss 90% of signals. Systems don't forget. Your service bay is a goldmine. 73% of boat owners research their next purchase while their current one's being serviced. They're already thinking upgrades, downsizes, fleet additions. Capture those conversations systematically with BoatLife.ai, and your September pipeline fills itself. Auto dealers lost $7,000 on rogue AI chatbots. Marine dealers are walking into the same trap right now. The difference? You have time. Skip the experimental vendors. Choose proven AI with guardrails built in. BoatLife.ai dealers close deals faster because the system actually works. BMW's AI chatbot cost a dealer $7,000 in one bad promise. Auto industry's learning that expensive way. Marine dealers? You don't have to. BoatLife.ai keeps AI honest with guardrails that protect your margins, not tank them. BMW dealers lost $7,000 to one AI mistake. Marine brokers are next if you're not careful. Smart dealers use AI with human approval, the technology works, guardrails work better. BoatLife.ai keeps your commission checks safe. Elite brokers audit their AI for liability. Average brokers chase features. BMW dealers paid $7,000 per mistake. Marine dealers don't have to. top performers demand human approval workflows built in. That's the difference between closing deals safely and discovering problems later. Systems don't get tired. Your competitors do. While you're manually scoring leads, brokers using automation close the deal in minutes. Three vendors control 60% of marine tech now. Consolidation means higher costs, longer waits. BoatLife.ai locks in your advantage before the window closes.